Hello and welcome, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be finishing the Dr. Doofenshmirtz costume. The final part will be the hair. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
To start, I always have the hair wet or at the very least damp because for me it's easier to work with damp hair. For this, I will simply be spraying my partner's hair with the spray bottle. Next, I will comb out his hair so there are no tangles that could cause problems later. Then I will have my partner hang his head upside down and then comb backwards from his neck. This is because it will cause volume, as my partner's hair has no volume. Then I will spray this with hairspray to keep that volume locked in place. Next, I will part the hair. I based my partner's hairstyle off this version of Dr. Doofenshmirtz. And so, as he's younger here and has longer hair, my partner could do it the best with this look. I backcombed a little and hairsprayed it in place. After that, you have the complete look. Here's what the hair looks like without the costume. Here's what the hair looks like with the costume.
Now that you have the hair, you are ready for Halloween. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!